So I'm here to introduce XoneBee. And XoneBee appeals to my kind of geeky wannabe side. I never really got the proper education to be a techie, but I always wanted to be. The idea started, actually, it was very interesting. Omara was telling me the story. In January in the revolution, when they were in Tahrir and the mobile networks got cut off, he started thinking about why can't we communicate with everybody by Bluetooth? And why can't we talk Bluetooth to Bluetooth? Because there's so many of us here. If I could just make everybody in the middle a relay, this would be really cool. And that was really the part that kind of appealed to me, that the idea of coming up with something new out of being put into a unique situation. It was a novel situation. And I've spent a lot of time with him over this cycle. And I think, as somebody who's invested and seen companies, I think this has the potential to be a worldwide platform or beyond what I initially thought. So I'd like to introduce Mohammad Omara, and he'll tell you about Zone.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. First, I would like to thank Mr. Ahmed Elfi for introducing XoneBee and introducing me in person. Well, my name is Mohammad Omara. I'm from XoneBee. We are three in the team. I myself, I'm an electronics engineer with a master's degree and over 14 years of experience in the semiconductors industry, working in USA, Malaysia, Dubai, and recently I'm in Egypt. I design chips for companies like Toshiba, Alcatel, Mindspeed, Omara, and many more. You might have come across one of my design chips if you're using a XoneBee laptop. We also have Ahmed Abul Hassan in the team. He's our software engineer with 3 successful apps on Google Play. And Ahmed Abdin, our hardware design engineer with experience working for top international embedded systems companies. We are creating a new type of communication network. The word is literally connected end-to-end by GSM outdoors. We are taking it small, indoors. It makes sense to go through one or more GSM networks if you are calling someone in the US or even in Alexandria. What makes no sense is to go through any GSM network if you're calling someone in the building next door. Let me tell you how we are going to take it small. We are building on Bluetooth. Bluetooth is 20 meters range. So theoretically, I can Bluetooth call you within this range with no issue. Suppose we are 500 meters distant from each other in a shopping mall with so many people in the middle between me and you, and I want to call you. We came up with an intelligent algorithm and application that all the Bluetooth-enabled phones in the middle between me and you within this 500 meters range can relay the call without being able to decode it. But this seems not that practical. So what did we do? We removed the people in the middle, and we fixed our $5 device in place of each. This way, I can communicate with you internally without the need to go externally through any GSM network. Speaking Bluetooth, what works for voice works for data. At the end of the day, we managed to replicate the bigger outer network internally. So we effectively took it small, with the same applications, same possibilities, same everything, if not more. Our new type of network can be placed in any confined place with mobile traffic. Shopping malls, university campuses, office buildings, banks, hotels, stadiums, sports clubs, name it. A place like City Stars shopping mall in Cairo, with hundreds of stores, thousands of visitors every single day, can completely be covered down to the store shelf level with only 5,000 of these. Once covered, anyone in City Stars can call anyone in City Stars for free. You can track position your wife while she's shopping. You can monitor your kids while they are playing in the Magic Galaxy. The store can communicate with you, and you can communicate back with the store. If Foursquare plus the GPS plus the internet took you to the mall, XoneBee will take you to the store shelf. If Google Maps helped your global as well as local search, we will help your hyper-local search. This is the next big thing. Mobile operators will not hate us. Actually, mobile operators hate crowded places like shopping malls. The amount of over-investment they are entitled to put to accommodate the increasing traffic on their network in such crowded places is humongous. Here comes our new network as a solution to offload some of the traffic on their network. This device makes us special. And the protocols and the communication protocol that we are developing on the top of this device that enables this device to create this new type of communication network is what makes us special. Once this device is in place, all sorts of applications will be open for us to develop, as well as for third-party developers, whom we will be providing with our toolkit, with the sky's not even a limit to the number of applications that can be developed and innovated on top of our platform. We make money out of selling this device and the apps, whether these apps are developed in-house or by third-party developers. We will also be licensing our communication protocol, which we call Protocol Stack, to Bluetooth device vendors who wants to enable their devices to become repeaters like ours. We already have a working prototype which you can use to make a Bluetooth call. Please come visit our booth in the demo room and try your first Bluetooth call yourself. We also have 7 companies and 2 universities engaged with us in the alpha testing of this prototype. And within the next 15-month period, inshallah, we will be done with the complete development of our technology. We will be adding the support for Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct, and we will be done with the complete registration process of our provisional patent, which we have already applied for, and we will be releasing some catalyzing apps. For this next phase, we are currently raising an amount of fund of $270,000 US. Thank you.